Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to add people on WhatsApp desktop. First, make sure you have installed WhatsApp desktop on your computer and connected it to your account. Once you open it, you will see the main interface. Click on new chat and then select new contact. In here, enter the name of your contact and then type their phone number. Make sure you enter the number that is linked to their WhatsApp account. If the number is not registered on WhatsApp, you won't be able to add or message them. After entering the correct number, enable the option to cease the contact to your phone. This will save the number on your mobile device as well. Then click save and you can start chatting right away. I hope this video helps you. If it did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.